Hey there, how are you? The Tiger by Dragon is building up superbly. So I'll show you the tracks they're on. They come up very nicely. Adds a hell of a lot of weight, these two just plastic tracks. So you could imagine what metal tracks would do to it. It's very, very heavy now. And I might even add a little bit more weight, a bit more metal along here. But I've got the rear plate finished, and Wittman's rear plate is a bit different to the other ones in the battalion. So in the battalion you've got the normal ones in the battalion, you've got the jack over this side, you've got the hook over this side. You don't have that. There's a few other differences, slight differences. This part here is unique to the Wittman one. But it looks very nice. It's all the hooks and everything very detailed. I'm looking forward to painting and seeing how it all comes out. But the zimmerit and everything, it looks really good. I reckon this will paint up amazing, and everything is fitting together like a dream. So now what we've got to do is put in the two radiators here. There's no engine or anything, so we just got two radiators, and I might put in some weight as well, a little bit of metal on that side, just to really beef up the weight of this thing. The very nice exhaust, but I've just stuck them on. I'm not going to go too hard with that because you don't see it anyway. You know, you see very little of the actual exhaust. And I reckon I can do a really good job on the top here, making a really nice job, and that's all you really need. Really nice shrouds. But the radiators look pretty complicated, a fair bit of photo etch and all that to go into it, but I don't think you'll see it, like, especially, you know, when you got the photo etch covers on and grills. So I might leave the back part here a little bit open or something. We'll see what happens. We'll see how cool the radiators look. But I pre-prepped the interior with a bit of red brown by SMS, which always looks nice. See how it goes. But yeah, bloody nice kit. These new Dragon kits are really good. I want to get more. I'm obsessed with them now. But they're releasing heaps of cool stuff. Like they got the Panzer IV B model, C model and D model just released. They just released the Wirbelwind. Another Panzer IV with a 88mm just stuck on top of it. They got heaps of cool stuff coming out. And those 2cm, what are they? Half tracks they got by German half tracks. So with 2cm cannons, they look really good. So they've released a couple more of these, but the D models, not the C models. So a lot of cool, interesting stuff going on with Dragon at the moment. They actually are releasing a hell of a lot of stuff. But what it seems to me, because I'm just starting to get into Dragon, I'm a mini art person who's just starting to get into Dragon, but it looks like they release a whole bunch of a certain kit, but they don't carry on with it like Tamiya does for an eternity. They'll release a certain amount and then that's it. They might rebox it and all that kind of stuff, but yeah, they just have all these different molds, and it seems like they make up a batch of kits and they release it, and once it's sold out, it's sold out. Seems like what they do to me. Alright my friends, I'm going to carry on building this, also doing my other things. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of armour here. I think I've got more armour than the actual Wehrmacht. I like the T60 by Mini Art. Wouldn't mind getting another one of those. Because I did that when I was, oh yeah, that's not as good as I am now. But it looks nice, I like it. And it was a really cool, fun build. everything was really small and fine, and it was really difficult but really rewarding. That's the Academy Panzer III. But the Academy Tiger really put me off tigers, and this has got me back into tigers. So don't get the Academy Tiger, it's pretty bad. But that one's not too bad, but I don't think I'll ever get Academy again. There is a few issues. Ryefield did a much better job, a hell of a lot better. So where I'm at the moment is I like Dragon, Ryefield, Mini Art. I like most of the Ukrainian stuff. A lot of the Chinese stuff's pretty good. Like Ryefield and Dragon are really good. Border's okay too. But they need to release some better stuff. Those aeroplanes they released are pretty good. And I'm interested to see how this new Stug will come out. Meng's okay, but I don't think I'll get another Meng one. I think that's enough for me, that one there. If I was to get another Panther or something, I'd probably get a Dragon one. And I did the AFV Club half track here, and although the AFV Club half track is amazing, I did find this one better. But I think this one's more accurate. It's just this one comes out looking better. It's like Dragon gets scale modeling. It's not about accuracy so much, it's about representing something in a smaller scale. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again soon.